Student rooms. Here we are in the Musicology teacher portal, portal.musicology.ca, and I've clicked on rooms. Now I'm going to create a room for my student. So my student's name is Laura, so we are going to call her room name Laura's Music Room. And you can name these whatever you like. Her room code is going to be something simple. I'm going to name her pet's name, Max. Max01 we'll go with. And the student's name is Laura. So I'm going to add Laura's room. And you see it pops up right down here, and you'll be able to immediately see it on the app as well. So this is the code that you will be sending Laura, her Max01, and to download the app on the App Store. Now I'm going to add a file to Laura's room, and you can also do this directly in the app, but you can also do it on the portal. So I'm going to upload a file, and let's see, a major activity sheet. Let's do that. So I've uploaded a major activity sheet. You can see it listed here. It will immediately be able to, you can have access to it on the app right away, and you can delete it from the portal. The portal is where you manage everything. So I'm also going to add another file to Laura's room that I've already downloaded on my computer by just dragging it in here. It's as easy as that. So now Laura has two files in her music room, and she can access them outside of the app or in the app for the lesson. If I would like to remove Laura's room, I just click on Remove Room. Go back to the student rooms, press X, and there we are.